Alright, in this St. Matthew training video we're going to look at the equipment in the booth. We're going to start at the top and work our way down. Way at the top here we have a switch that says aux 5. So that's the aux 5 that comes off the board that goes to record the audio, and one switch sends a signal right to the TriCaster, which does the video recording. The other switch sends it to through, which means it bypasses the TriCaster and it goes directly through right into the DVD burner and down at the bottom to the cassette recorder. When you do switch this, you'll have to change the volume of aux 5 because of the different inputs has the different signal strengths, so you have to be aware of that. The next section is the cameras that we have, the 3 cameras and their different views, which you can use as reference. This is the CD player. Self-explanatory. It has a bunch of neat features. You can look in the manual for how they all work. This is the DVD burner. When service starts, we put a disc in here, and then when you want to, you can record the service, and then when you're done, you hit stop. And we'll have a separate video in more detail on the specific specs and how this unit works. When we move on down below, this is the DVD and CD duplicator. So you just put a disc in the master drive, blank ones in the other. It automatically detects whether it's a CD or DVD and makes a copy. Below that is this is our video switcher. This sends the signal, or determines which signal gets sent to the big projector, whether it's the computer or the DVD player, or camera 2 or camera 3. Or we also have a wireless computer connection that we can use. This down here is our cassette recorder, and we'll have a separate video on how to use this device. And down here is the cassette playback, which I think we've only used once since the system was installed. Over on this side we have the very detailed EQs for the 2 monitor mixes, and these are special. These settings are specially customized for the sound of the church to prevent feedback and to maximize the sound for the singers. The next unit is called the X-Frame. This is the brains of the whole system right here. And there's two modes, manual and automatic. We always use the manual mode. These are the 3 wireless mics for the pastors, and we'll have a separate training video on the details of those settings and how those work. This is the Listen device transmitter. The Listen devices are these little packs that people can turn on and listen to the pastor speak. And so this sends that signal out to these units. Below that is the distribution amp for the audio signals. So the signals that come off the board, and then from aux 5, and it gets split to the different devices. This distribution amp sets those levels. Then the bottom one, the Rolls distribution amp, is for the playback of the CD player, the DVD player, the cassette player, the computer, and the wireless connection with the computer, that you can adjust the input volumes as needed. But they're pretty much set at a good rate right now. Underneath here we have a very old laptop computer that is hooked up to the X-Frame here, so you can the service tech can adjust the programming as needed in the X-Frame. Let's go on the other side of the TriCaster and we'll get that.